Let's practice solving and graphing inequalities in one variable. For this first inequality, we will solve by getting x alone, and we will have to get rid of the minus 2 with a plus 2. So x is less than 7. To graph it, we put a dot at 7. This one will not be filled in, and then we are going to shade to the left because the variable is smaller. In our next example, we need to get rid of minus 4, in our next example, we're going to get rid of plus 4, so we'll use subtraction. So x is greater than or equal to 6. To graph it, first we put a dot at 6. We fill it in because it is greater than or equal to, and we shade to the right because the variable is on the bigger side. In our third example, we need to get rid of times 5. So we divide by 5. This leaves us with x is less than or equal to negative 3. Here we need to be careful because if you multiply or divide by a negative number, your inequality sign flips. Here we divided by a positive number, so we're fine. To graph it, we put a dot at negative 3. We fill it in because it's or equal to, and we shade to the left because the variable is on the small side of the equation. On our last example, we have x divided by negative 7, so we need to multiply by negative 7. Because we're multiplying or dividing by a negative, our inequality sign will flip. We end up with x is less than negative 70. To graph it, we put a dot at negative 70. We don't fill it in because it's not or equal to, and we shade to the left because our variable is on the small side of the inequality. So that is a basic example of solving inequalities with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.